guys.
Hey, but today great today. It's been a good day. Thank you for hanging out with me.
Yeah. Wait. What's this? Wait. What's the video about horror from the last video? What were we recording?
The mysterious virus. Wait,
Oh,
the crime.
yeah, the crime scene. Yeah, I don't remember what they called the name of that video.
Okay, can I come in?
Sure.
Click on you, roommate.
Okay.
I did it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, agree. And let's go now.
Alright.
I've agreed. Okay, thank you. Well, guys, it's been a good day, today, I'm just gonna hang out in my house now. Today, it's been, a long day. Well, but last time, it was kind of crazy, right?
Yeah.
We accidentally forgot to upload the video, so, yeah, you can check it right now in my latest video.
Yeah, guys. If you didn't see that video, make sure to go watch it. I think you're gonna like it.
Okay, I'm gonna check the news now. I'm gonna check the news.
Siren Head versus Long Horse.
Wait, the news! The news!
Is it a tornado?
Great. Okay, we don't know what. Okay, we don't know what is it. Okay, check the news. Okay,
Okay.
just check the news.
Sure.
What's it? It's okay. So Victory. Hurry up.
Where's the news?
Wait, just keep clicking. Yes, I did. Finally, bro. Breaking news. Wait, breaking news. The weather is kind of not great right now. The other side is kind of a little bit clouded, and now I'm in Malaysia, but now um I'm in Malaysia. And there's a lot of clouds at the top. Well, we don't know what's going on, and it's been really the people have been saying that they seen like wind going down and like circling around. Well,
Hang on.
that sounds like a tornado.
I think it's tornado,
Yeah.
right? No far.
Yeah, it sounds like a tornado. So till later, bye.
What?
Well, that's unacceptable.
What? No way.
Bro.
Siren Head versus Hulk. Siren Head versus Hulk.
I'm Fikri. It's probably nothing, Fikri.
Yeah.
It's probably some wins. Fikri. You wanna go to the grocery store? Just in case if it's an emergency.
Yeah, I am a little worried. I'm kind of worried. Are you worried too?
Not really.
Oh.
Since it didn't say that there was a whole entire emergency. Bro.
Oh, are you walking or driving the car?
I'm walking.
Okay.
I'm running to grocery store.
Yeah. Me too. I am kind of worried about tornado. I'm kind of curious if is tornado coming, going toward us.
Yeah, if a tornado.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, what happened to the power?
I don't know. Why did the power turn off?
I think let me just try opening the lights. What the hell?
Huh?
Wait, no way. It does not work.
Here.
It actually doesn't work. Degree, it does not work.
Huh? What the? It's too dark to see.
It's okay, Degree, I have the flashlight, okay?
We need to buy some supplies.
Okay, you buy supplies, okay?
Okay, I'll get some banana. I need to get all of them just in case because
Yes, we don't, because I don't know if anything is about to happen.
Yeah,
Well,
me too.
oopsies, I accidentally shot.
That's okay. Oh, take a breath, Chris. Just a thing. You should take some breath too.
Oh yeah. Wait, okay, I see a person that's about to rob us. Phew. Okay, I saved you.
We need to make. We need to. We need to finish the whole video.
There's a big guy. It's so quiet in Brookhaven, not gonna lie. See, it's Brookhaven, it's kinda quiet. It's actually kinda so quiet. Okay, done yet?
Am I done? Hold on, let me look.
Yes, okay, Vicky, I have a flashlight, okay? Come here, okay? Just come here.
Yep, I'm done.
Okay,
Pay. Now let's grab the bag. And I'll leave.
yeah. But Vicky,
Yeah.
we're gonna go now.
I kind of worry about tornado.
Okay, Vicky, why does it feel like so windy now?
I don't know.
I think we should really know.
Is tornado about to come in?
Vicky, I'm gonna take this bike, bro. Okay,
Okay.
you can take a bike, bro. There's a bike right there. If you want to take one,
Yeah.
let's go. Mm-mm. Okay.
Oh, there's a lot. There's a neighborhood.
Okay. And then now,
Now let's go home.
I'm gonna go home now, bro. Okay, someone just knocked. Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Good day, right?
Yep.
Who's that? What the hell is that? Okay. 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 I swear I saw someone. I swear I saw someone. Well, like anybody. I don't know. Hello?
Oh.
Why is nobody even here? Hello? Huh? Okay, this is kind of weird. I'm gonna check.
Yeah.
Hello?
Go check it out.
Hello? Anybody's here?
SCP-096 versus Siren Head.
Hello? Let's reveal yourself, okay?
SCP-096
I'm not trying to kill you, okay?
Siren Head.
Looks like nobody's there, Vicky.
Yeah. Oh, is nobody there?
Yeah, Vicky.
Oh.
Just close the door real quick.
Yeah, you should just close the door.
Yeah, man. Let's do it. Just feel like, I just feel weird.
Really?
Yeah, I feel weird. Agree. Like, I feel weird. I just feel like something's about to happen. Well, I'm not, I don't know. It's okay. No, Fikri, I'm gonna go. Fikri, wanna hang out?
Huh?
Wanna hang out, bro? Let's go.
Let's go to your house or my house?
Okay, go to my house. Let's go.
Okay. I'll come back to my house soon.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. So, Fikri, let's, okay, I'm going to tell you something.
What?
Okay, Fikri. Let's just sit, okay? Just sit. So, Fikri, I want to tell you something. I just feel like, Fikri, it's so shaky. Fikri, it's so shaky. Fikri, why is there an earthquake?
Does that mean?
Fikri, you think Fikri scream?
Does that mean?
Don't scream. I need to scream. Ah!
What was that?
I don't know.
Jeez, I think something's gonna happen.
Somebody's gonna happen. A person has to do something.
I think
Okay,
I think something is gonna happen.
I'm gonna tell you something.
What?
Lately, before I went to sleep, I saw like wind that's on the ground. No, it's like I'm circling around, Fikri.
Was it a tornado?
I don't know. Maybe it's just a vortex.
Oh.
It's a vortex. Maybe it's just a vortex, or either maybe it's nothing's gonna happen. Wait, Fikri. Okay, I'm getting notifications in my phone.
Huh?
Okay, are you getting notifications too?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna check what's going on. What?
Huh?
Look at that. Look at this notification that's saying.
What?
Breaking news, everybody. There is lately some wind going around Brookhaven and seeing like wind that is circling around Brookhaven. That lately looks like a tornado. Well, we don't know. So we don't need to worry about it.
What?
Well, we don't know, but it's okay. Maybe it's just nothing. Bye. Oh, Fikri, that notification showed. Okay, that notification okay, that notification that made us read is kind of a bit suspicious. And by the way, Fikri, why is it getting so dark all of a sudden? Look outside and okay, look outside. It's getting actually super dark. Look. It's getting so dark. Wow, it's actually getting so dark. Look at that thing. Look at that. Look outside, bro. There's like what? Okay, Fikri, do you know anything that you could tell me, to what's going on? It's just actually it's so dark outside. Look at that. It's so dark. Ah!
Hang on, Nuffer.
What?
Look outside. There's a tornado.
Wait a minute. Wait. Whoa. Wait. I don't think that's tornado. Maybe it's just a small. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, do you have binoculars? Binoculars? Wait, okay. Do you have one in your bag?
Wait, hey, I should find.
Okay, do you have one? Give it to me if you have one.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Thanks.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, hold on. Let me just see. Okay, I'm gonna zoom. Wait a minute.
What?
Fikri?
What?
I think I see like something there. Wait. I see a tornado. Look. Look. I see a tornado. It's like kind of a little bit like blurry. Ain't no way, bro.
The buoyant one.
Ain't no way, Vicky. Ain't no way, bro.
Yeah,
Ain't no way. Okay, Vicky, here, you can take it back, okay? Okay, here, you can take it back.
Okay.
Okay, and okay, and okay. Let's go. Okay, bye, okay? Bye. Well, see you later.
Okay.
Just gonna go to the bath. Just gonna go to the bathroom. Nah. Okay, alright, I need to see what's going on, but I don't know. I have to find some binoculars in my pocket too. I could have used that from the start. Wait. There's actually one behind the nuclear power plant. I gotta tell Fikri. Fikri, there's one behind the nuclear power plant.
Really?
Yeah, there's one behind the nuclear power plant. Do you see this? Look. There's actually one behind the nuclear power plant. But like next to it and behind it.
Oh.
Wait, you see that? Okay, look. That thing. It's kinda blurry.
Boys, that we're going to see us.
Yes.
And the chips also is here. Let me think. Yes. Do you?
It's gotta
Is it a set burger or not? I don't know. Yes. Wait, no. Fight. You're fine. Okay, let me see. SCP 173 versus Siren Head. SCP 173 versus Siren Head. Brr brr bada bing.
God, man.
Brr brr bada bing.
Okay, I gotta do. Okay. Gotta wake up. Okay. I'm just gonna eat a burger.
Bread is right for my throat, no.
Oh yeah,
I eat apple.
I eat bigger. Okay, and we have a burger in here. It's gonna be yummy for me. It's gonna be too yummy.
It's gonna be so yummy.
It's
It's gonna be brr brr bada bing.
Absolutely delicious, bro. I wonder what's going on today. But I'm just gonna. It's so windy. Why is the window kind of dark now? Green?
What?
Um. Okay. Does it feel windy for you?
Huh? But hang on now, Bart. There's
What?
something I gotta tell you.
What?
My window is closed.
Huh? Wait, really?
Yeah. Okay, I'll show you my screen. Here, look there.
Huh? Uh. Fikri, is it good? Okay, does it look like white?
Oh, yes.
Oh no. I think the tornado. I think it's like a tornado or something. I know. A tornado are heading towards Brookhaven from the south side. I, I don't know. Tornado was coming towards Brookhaven from the south side. Yes, tornado is coming to me from the south side. I didn't know. Mm-hmm. Yummy. That's yummy, man. Mm-hmm.
It's got the right book. It's ballerina cappuccino.
Damn, bro. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Polar bear. Polar bear.
You guys clear now?
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Is it el crema? El crema. El crema. El crema. Huh? It's nighttime.
Yeah, if you agree. Never knew that. Hey, because it was so dark, right? Because something's not right.
Hmm?
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
What?
Are my eyes broken or something? Wait. Let me just see this. Wait. No. Wait, no way. Wait, there's actually no way. Wait. A tornado is so close. A tornado is at the middle of Brookhaven.
Really?
What should we do? Oh no!
Oh
A tornado is in Brookhaven.
Oh no!
Yeah, I know.
What?
Okay, go outside of your house right now, bro. You have your car?
Oh,
You have your destructive car?
I will get my car, okay?
You have your destructive car so it can handle the wind? You make sure that your hand you make sure you deploy, okay? So the tornado doesn't drag you, okay? Mm, 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 mm. Good. Ooh, look!
What?
Yo!
What is it?
It's this thing.
What?
Look. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, you need your truck to be deployed. Okay, I know, okay? Just stand right next to me, okay? Actually, Vicky, you go in front of me. Okay. You need to go forward, okay? A little bit forward. Done.
Oh.
Okay, this is probably gonna. I know.
What?
Okay. I know. This is probably gonna be. Okay, this is the strongest thing, okay?
What? What the strongest thing?
Thing could this thing could handle something. Okay, this thing could handle a tornado, Victory. Hurry, go in the truck.
I'm in my car.
Lights out. Okay, you just wait, okay?
Okay, I'll wait inside my car.
Okay. Lights out. Figgy,
What?
are you ready? The tornado is in front of us now.
Ah!
Victory! Oh my God, Victory!
What?
Victory, it's happening, Victory!
No,
You see that? The tornado!
Yeah.
Wow, bro! Wow! Oh my God! Victory, are we inside the tornado right now?
What?
Look in front of you. Can you see anything right now? Look in front of you. Can you see anything?
Yes.
I think we're inside the tornado.
We inside the tornado?
Yeah, we are inside the tornado right now, bro. We're literally inside the tornado. Mm. Mm.
Cappuccino assassin.
Wait, Victor, you're going to be lifted up, please.
Huh?
Oh, maybe your car is kind of strong.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Victor, it's shaking so much, right?
Yeah.
Literally inside of a tornado without knowing. What? Not gonna lie, it's kind of big, right?
Yeah.
This tornado is kind of big. Victor.
Boys, are you okay?
Yes.
Do you need drinks?
No.
Oh, okay, dah ambil minyak kan? Boy, dah ambil.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
We're just kind of surviving this, right?
Yeah, we're surviving.
It's absolutely no way, bro.
Oh.
I wonder how is the house not getting lifted up. Wait, okay, I think the tornado is gone now.
Oh.
Tornado is gone. Okay, stop deploying, okay? I want you to stop deploying now. Everything is now fine. We survived the tornado, we agree?
Yeah.
Still, I don't know if another one's about to come. We agree. You see that in the distance?
Huh?
Okay, come.
I'm in my car.
Okay, jump. Okay, go up. So that's me. And you see that in the distance?
Yeah.
Is that a tornado forming?
Oh no.
Okay, what should we do?
I don't know.
Damn, it's moving so fast. What should we do? Victory? You know what to do?
Thanks, buddy.
I'm you, bro. I don't know.
Huh? You don't know?
Wait. Wait. I know. Come, Victory. With your car.
Take my car?
Yes, hurry up. It's coming so fast. I got an idea.
What?
Put your speed to 45.
45, okay.
And we gotta go.
Done.
Wait. Okay, let's go.
What? Let's go this way.
Okay, follow me, okay?
Okay. I don't want to get lost.
Okay, it's right here. On me over here. Ah!
Yo!
Worry, I'm fine, Fikri, the weather is not good today. It's covering the whole entire cloud, right? The clouds are
Wait, the far.
yeah. Okay, follow me.
Not far, wait.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Okay.
Hurry up, bro.
I got my car back. Which way you go?
Bro, no. That way.
This way?
Yes. Let's go that way. And yeah. You see me?
Oh, there's a truck.
Come.
Okay, I'll come with you.
Come, go to the campsite.
The campsite?
Yes, campsite.
Okay. Dude. Hurry up.
Bro. Go to the campsite.
Okay.
Go to the campsite and I know where to go, okay?
Okay.
I clearly see that tornado coming. We're far away, okay?
Yeah.
It's come, okay?
We're safe, right?
Not yet. Need to go to this house, agree?
You're not safe inside the car?
Yeah.
What? There's our car.
Okay, go behind the house, okay?
Okay, this car. I'm gonna get the car. Bro. Dude.
Okay, just follow me, okay?
Trippy troppy.
You just keep following me.
Okay, try.
Okay, I see the tornado coming, okay?
Oh guys, so.
I can feel the wind.
Oh my guys, so. Bro, let's hurry. Cappuccino, assassino, trippy troppy, Tim cheese.
Oh, Vicky, I see it. Vicky, I see it.
Huh?
Whoa, Vicky.
What?
Come here. Look at this.
Oh!
Okay, stop. Okay, I think we can survive in here.
Okay.
This is the Brookhaven bunker. It's not a bad tune. Agree. This is our vault. Okay, this is the bunker, okay? Okay.
Oh.
Oh,
Hi, Apple. Hello.
let's go inside. Yeah.
Siren head.
Fikri, look. Fikri, it looks like we made it, Fikri.
Okay.
This is the bunker, Fikri. Okay, does it look like my house?
Yup. So. Boneka Ambarabo.
Welcome to my bunker.
Oh, it's Boneka Ambarabo.
I built this bunker when you were gone, Fikri.
Boneka Ambarabo.
Okay, I built this bunker when you were sleeping.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, right now we're under your house right now.
We under our house.
Okay, Okay, my bunker is under your house.
Oh.
Right now that we're right now we're under your house. So yeah. Took a long time to go to that tunnel, right? Oh.
No fun. Stop! Brr, brr, patapi. papi, cappuccino assassino. Put the bera, back the ball. Oh, the burr, patawi. Let me you type it.
Let you type it. Let
Oh, wait.
you
Let
type
me
it.
control your phone, Nafar. Burr, patawi. And that you typing something. Burr, patawi. Like, brain right.
Vicky.
What?
Vicky. Okay. Can I stop the video? Look. It's been a few 5 hours later. See, it's been 5 hours, right?
Yeah, but don't go so.
It's been a few hours, but now catching. I don't hear anything now.
Oh,
I think we could go back to outside. Vicky, I think if you look, okay, I think our door is collapsed. Yeah, I think the entry's collapsed. Let's go to the elevator, Vicky.
elevator.
What?
Where'd you go?
Boy, I'm right here. Bro, where the hell did you go?
Dude.
Oh, there you are. Okay, go to the, okay, here's the elevator, right?
Oh, you're so tiny.
Agree. No, not yet. Go to the elevator. Let's go, Vicky, let's go.
Okay. Mutant.
Well, this is probably gonna be,
This is gonna be.
okay. Vicky, don't worry about our cars. I put, Vicky, our cars are teleported to our house, okay?
Okay.
So, yeah. Vicky, we're here now. We're here. Look, we're here. Vicky, look. Everything's fine.
Oh. Let me.
So, if you
Wait, let me.
enjoy,
Okay, let me say it after you say it.
if you enjoy our,
Let me say
our videos,
Let me say
please,
something.
okay.
Well, if you enjoy videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Like and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. What? Okay, guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and comment down below what other videos should we do next. If you want us to do more videos, you want me say, guys, if you want us to do more videos, then hit the like button and see you later. Peace.
Peace. Ah.